if you want to open the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to use the USB cable and connect our phone to a computer. Once you do that, we want to power off our phone. So let's shut it down. And after that, you need to wait for the battery percentage to show up on the screen, since we are charging through the USB port. Then, once you see that information, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. We need to press and hold both of these buttons until we see the Android recovery menu. So first we have this icon with the charging icon, and soon we should see, there we go, the battery percentage. So now we can press and hold the power button and volume up, and hold these two buttons together until you are in the recovery mode. So you will see the Samsung logo, but you need to keep holding. And there we go, here we are in the recovery mode. We can navigate in this menu by using volume up and volume down. And you confirm your choice, the selected choice, by pressing the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!